So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of guided access not working on the latest iOS 26. Now, first of all, make sure it is enabled in the settings. Just simply open the settings, go to accessibility, scroll down until you see this option of guided access. Turn this option off. Now, if it's still not work, try resetting your iPhone, restarting your iPhone. Once you do that, it will start all the settings of your iPhone from the scratch, and it will definitely gonna help you. Now if it still not works, the latest iOS 26 have a lot of glitches. Now they have changed the guided access thing from double tap to triple tap on the side button. So make sure to triple click on the side button while you are inside any app, and that will definitely fix the issue of guided access not working on the iOS 26. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.